And as you know, that in city of Bombay, 1 out of 30 ladies are going to suffer from breast cancer. Similarly, in US, 1 out of 8 ladies is going to suffer from the breast cancer. I am Dr. Suresh Advani, medical oncologist practicing in the city of Bombay. I am going to discuss with you what is the October month is being celebrated for the breast cancer. All of us know that the breast cancer is increasing day by day, not only in India, but all over the world. And I think that's a really big concern for people all around. The main problem in the breast cancer is the early diagnosis. Because if the breast cancer is diagnosed early, it makes a big difference. It can save the life, it can also save the breast. And today it is possible to do the early diagnosis. So October is a month where we celebrate what we call it breast cancer awareness programs. Breast cancer is the leading cause of problem in the ladies after the age of 40. 40 to 70 is the peak age. And as you know, that in city of Bombay, 1 out of 30 ladies are going to suffer from breast cancer. Similarly, in US, 1 out of 8 ladies is going to suffer from the breast cancer. And all this is related to the lifestyle. Lifestyle is the main reason for increasing numbers of breast cancer in our society. And it's very important for us to take care of this, because ladies are the captain of the home. And if the ladies are not well, the whole house collapses. Most important thing is why it is increasing. It is increasing because of the lifestyle changes. Look at in the village, like if you go in the Sholapur or Varsi, the incidence of breast cancer is 1 in 200. So you can see the difference. Why? Reason is very simple. One, in those places, the ladies have to do lot of physical activity. They don't have the rickshaw, they don't have taxi, they don't have the train to move around. Even for the water, they have to walk for 1 kilometer. And therefore, they are doing a lot of work. And second most important thing is, if you go to the villages, most of the ladies are married by the age of 22, 23. And they have a first child before 25. And it's very well known that if the ladies have a first child before 25 years, they will have a very less chance of breast cancer as compared to if you marry after 25 and have the first child later on. Apart from this, the other factors which counts are some of the hereditary factor. Of course, hereditary factors are responsible for the breast cancer only in about 4 to 5% of the patients. And these 4 to 5% of the patient can be identified by a good history. If you ask the patient will tell you, my mother had the breast cancer, my auntie had the breast cancer, my grandmother had the breast cancer, my cousin had the breast cancer or ovarian cancer. And then you really suspect that this is a hereditary form of the cancer. And to identify that, today technology has improved remarkably. We can identify the gene mutation. One gene, which is commonest gene, is known as BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene. If they are mutated, the incidence of breast cancer goes almost 100%. Any lady who have a BRCA1 or 2 mutation, they have a 100% chance of developing the breast cancer. So one could say that how today the incidence is rising and what are the factors behind it, whether it's our lifestyle or genetic. But the most important factor in breast cancer is that breast cancer is curable if you diagnose at an early stage. That's a thing which all of you must remember. It's a curable cancer, but it needs early diagnosis. And how can we reach early diagnosis? That's where the breast cancer awareness program is being celebrated. You can diagnose the disease early by one, advising everybody after the age of 30 to undergo self-breast examination. And this is very simple. It requires 1 minute just to check the breast while taking a bath for any lump or any abnormalities. Another way of early diagnosis is regular mammography. After the age of 40, we recommend, the WHO also recommend that we should do the mammography every 18 months or so. So I think the breast cancer incidence is rising, but less and less people are dying because of that, because we are able to diagnose the disease early and treat them early. And the way the breast cancer is that if you diagnose the disease early, you not only save the life, but you also save the breast, because then you can do a small surgery without disturbing the shape of the breast. So I think this type of the awareness at the level of the public is very important. Please see that each one of you should know this and practice this. If you want to watch more such videos, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.